All right, we're going to unbox the xTool RA3 Rotary Attachment. I've had this for a couple of months, but I just hadn't been in the shop much, a lot of stuff going on. So we're going to do it. The previous versions to this was the RA1, the RA2, and the RA2 Pro. And the big upgrade with this one is I understand it's magnetic. So let's open it up and see. Well, it said pull tab. It didn't say easy. All right, so we have a nice storage case. And it too is magnetic. That's pretty nice. We have safety instructions and a quick start guide. And we're just going to take a look at these parts and identify them by the quick start guide. There we go. All right, I don't want to drag this out too long, so I'm just going to lay everything out in accordance with the quick start guide, and we'll take a look and see what comes with it. Okay, we got it laid out, so that'll save a little bit of time. So the list of items in the quick start guide, we'll just start with the chuck. This is the main chuck, and you can configure it for more common cylindrical items or for something larger. So if it's a small item, you can take these cylindrical, let's see what they call them, just cylindrical jaw, and you can add these wherever you need to hold whatever you're engraving on. And if you've got something larger, you can use these T-jaws and configure them however needed. And they do just hold in magnetically. And then once you get it, this would fit inside of something. These could fit inside or on the outside of something, depending on what it was. But this is the power module, and then the chuck would just snap into place. And I've seen where people had trouble getting that out once they put it in there, so I don't know. That looks like it came out pretty good. It snaps in, and then it comes out if you pull it hard enough. But that sits on this base plate. You have 4 holes and 4 studs. It just snaps in place, and then you tighten up this little thumb screw. If you need to raise it up, you have a height module, and they call it height extension module. Seems reasonable. Some of the older models, I had the RA1, and it just had rollers only. So with this version, you can extend it. So you have this holder that goes to the bottom of the roller, and the bottom of the roller just slides in place, and you can put it in any of these 3 positions you want, and then it'll just snap onto this roller module. If you had something that was really long, you could purchase additional rollers and extend it on out. So we've got the, this is the support module here. So if you had a large cup or something that was extending out from the chuck, then that's where it would rest. You've also got these, let's see what they call it, stud components, but these are for if you're engraving on a ring. Let's see if we can get these off. Maybe you're holding a ring, then these two are magnetic. They just slide up in here. And then you can hold your ring and laser on that. So we've got the power cable here. We've got some thumb screws to attach the base plate to the laser bed. A level, a tape measure, and an Allen wrench. And that is about it. So, like I said, I will put this together soon on one of the lasers, probably the F2, and use it. And we'll see how sweet it is. All right, well, that's about it, folks. I know people are sick of unboxing videos, but here we are. And hopefully I didn't drag it out too long. If you have questions, let me know. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your questions and comments. It helps me to learn. So I'm not sponsored. I did not get this from xTool. I bought this myself, if I didn't say that already. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.